Forget everything you think you know about nature. These aren't documentaries. These are real, unscripted, jaw-dropping encounters with the planet's most dangerous creatures. From heart-pounding face-offs to miraculous escapes. What you're about to see is 100% wild.
Not every day you see a bear stealing a car.
This dude was hardly planning to catch a snake on his fishing trip.
Yeah, buddy.
When passing through any animal zones, we advise to keep the doors locked.
Eventually, the bears vacated the area and nobody was hurt.
Are you in love? I am in love. Are you in love? I'm in love too. I agree.
This would give me the shock off my life.
This alligator was waiting for this fisherman to make his catch off the day so he could have an easy dinner. Now that's the last predator you want to be chased down by. Tourist on a safari witnessed the fight between two rhinos. Just casually passing through until you realize you're being chased by an angry hippo.
He's coming for us. Holy
Be careful when you're near the lake. The fish was probably used for bait.
And another one bites the dust.
I know. There's lots of lock the door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do.
Just putting on a show for everybody to see. This is definitely a story to tell everyone.
What?
Looks like the bison just wanted to play. He eventually gave up the chase and let the little one go. Imagine you're trying to just shoot some good film and this happens. Does anybody know what type of snake this is? I would have pooed my pants. Two kangaroos fight for dominance over a mate. These animals can fight hours until one gives up. It seems like the alligator wanted something with a bit more meat. Let's take our guest on a safari with no roof so we can get really close and personal with the tiger.
And it's the biggest one on the island.
Biggest one on the island. That's a dinosaur, my friend.
This face-off had to happen sooner or later. Wow. He behaves on command.
Couldn't be a better reference than on your bike, mate. Can anybody explain the reason behind why people think they have some special bond with dinosaurs? This lion just wanted to walk in peace and quiet, so I suggest you back off. Some places in the world, this is just the norm. Imagine just having a nice relaxed day with the family.
Oh my god. How do I shut this? I got it.
This elephant was not afraid of the truck at all. I don't think this little guy knows exactly what he's dealing with, or he has just made frienda. When a bull elephant approaches, what other option do you have other than freeze? This man just wanted to take his little man for a nice fishing trip.
Be careful, Evan. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Poor grandma got the shock off her life, or did the bear. Bucket list stuff. But my gosh, what if they landed on the boat? They may be small, my friend, but they're feisty little things at times. This guy wasn't taking no prisoners. Used the bike to his advantage.
Hey! 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 Hey!
This guy will be overly cautious next time he takes out the bins. There is no way on earth this man is human. Just a pack off big cats wandering your garden at night. Nothing unusual. A 100-man versus 1 gorilla, and that's 1 down, 99 to go.
Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
This man was just in his shack and out of nowhere and a window snooper. Never come between a lion and the prey he has just made dinner. Curious Squid wanted to ride the surfboard.
Bye.
This dog has a pair-off big ball on him.
That just came out of the bush. I wish I was videoing that.
Do you think they're lovely and cute?
Think again.